Price shopping. The only way you should be price shopping or price comparing shop to shop is if you have an exact number for a molding, an exact size, an exact mat number, an exact mat margin, an exact glass type, and all the details. If you don't have all these details, you cannot compare their frame to your frame. Is it a poly frame versus a wood frame? Is it a name brand versus not a name brand? Are they putting a larger mat margin, a smaller mat margin, different glass? Realistically, you can't go from one shop to the other shop to price match unless you are matching the exact same things. And if you are, please have a list of all the numbers that we can look up and just give it to you. You can't go get one design to another design to a different place. It's not comparing apple to apples. May not be the same material, may not be the same quality. It's just not comparable. I have name brands to distributors on my wall and to gold leaf finished corner frames, real gold leaf, real silver leaf. I can never talk. These start in the thousands of dollars. Some frames in here can be hundreds of dollars of differences between one another. I do have all wood on my wall, but even a name brand versus not name brand can drastically change in price point. But unless you compare my price to somebody else's price with the same molding, same everything you're using, you can gauge who has a cheaper price, but you can't just, here's one design, here's another design. That's not fair. You're really wasting everybody's time in doing so.